In this video, we're going to talk about enterprise management. So, hi there. Welcome back to the channel. So let's talk about enterprise management. What is enterprise management? Enterprise management is a management of a company or organization. It's all about making sure that everything in the company is working together to achieve the goals and objectives of that particular business. In fact, it's so much more than that. Good management can help business owners succeed. That means they help them to grow their businesses and also to make sure that the businesses are profitable and sustainable. Now, what does good management look like? Well, managers should be able to resolve business issues. They need to find strategic solutions to problems. They have to think ahead and anticipate future challenges and opportunities and put systems in place to make sure that the company is well positioned to take advantage of those opportunities and face those challenges head on when they do come up. Good managers are also able to build relationships with employees and other stakeholders, such as customers and suppliers, and they are able to create a positive work environment in which everyone feels valued and respected. Ultimately, the success of any organization depends on the quality of its management. Here are 5 things that I believe enterprise managers must know in today's fast-paced world. Number 1, enterprise managers must understand the industry they operate in. You cannot manage what you don't understand. So it's critical for managers to have a deep understanding of the industry they operate in. This includes knowing the key trends, drivers, and challenges that are impacting the business. For example, if you're in the fashion industry, you need to stay on top of the latest fashion trends and make sure that your products reflect those trends. Or if you're in the technology industry, you need to keep up with the latest technological developments and make sure that your products are at the cutting edge. Managers who fail to understand the industry they operate in are likely to be disrupted by competitors who are more aware of the trends and drivers in the market. Number 2, enterprise managers must embrace change. Change is the only constant in today's world, and managers must be able to embrace change and adapt quickly. For example, the COVID-19 pandemic has forced many businesses to adopt new ways of working, such as remote working and online meetings. Managers who have been able to embrace these changes have been more successful during the pandemic. Those who have resisted change have struggled. Managers who are able to embrace change and adapt quickly are better positioned to take advantage of the opportunities that come up in the ever-changing business environment. Number 3, managers must develop their leadership skills. Leadership is essential for the success of any organization. Leaders inspire and motivate their employees to achieve the goals of the organization. They develop a clear vision for the company and communicate that vision to the employees. They also set clear goals and hold employees accountable for achieving those goals. In today's complex business environment, managers need to be able to lead their teams through times of uncertainty and change. They need to be able to inspire their employees to maintain a high level of performance even when things are tough. To be effective leaders, managers need to develop their emotional intelligence, communication skills, and decision-making abilities. Number 4, managers must leverage technology to their advantage. Technology is transforming the way we live and work. Managers need to be able to leverage technology to their advantage to improve efficiency and productivity. For example, cloud computing and artificial intelligence are 2 technologies that can help managers to automate tasks and free up their time to focus on more strategic initiatives. There are many other technologies that can help managers to improve their operations. However, it's important to note that technology is not a silver bullet. Managers need to carefully evaluate the risks and benefits of each technology before implementing it in their organizations. Number 5, managers must invest in their employees. Employees are the most valuable asset of any organization. Managers who understand this invest in their employees and help them to develop their skills and abilities. By investing in their employees, managers are able to improve the overall performance of their organization. In today's competitive business environment, managers need to be able to retain their top talent. To do this, they need to create a positive work environment and offer competitive salaries and benefits. Managers who are able to invest in their employees are better positioned to achieve their long-term goals. There you have it. Those are some of the things that I believe enterprise managers must know in today's fast-paced world. In conclusion, enterprise management is a challenging but rewarding task. Managers have a direct impact on the success of their organization. They need to be able to understand the industry they operate in, embrace change, develop their leadership skills, leverage technology, and invest in their employees. By doing this, they can create a winning organization that is able to achieve its goals and make a difference in the world. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comments below, what you think are the key things that managers should know in today's fast-paced world. Do you agree with the points that I made in this video? If not, what are some of the other things that you think are important? I would love to hear from you. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to have you back for my next video. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.